G'day guys, Dan and Roz, and we are on our Aussie adventure. Yee-hoo!
I really wonder why I fool myself again and again. Cause I sit here crying when you're out with someone else.
So where are we?
We're at Haliday Bay. I think it's about 30 minutes out of Mackay.
What is it? Haliday.
Haliday Bay.
With one L.
With one L.
I keep putting double L in all my things. Hope you can hear us because a little bit windy.
A little bit.
But where is Haliday Bay?
It's about 30 minutes north, I guess, of Mackay.
Yep.
So, yeah, lovely. We just found it by accident the other day when we came out for a drive to Cape Hillsborough. No.
Seaforth.
Cape Hillsborough, Seaforth.
Yeah. Cape Hillsborough's south of here.
And Ball Bay is just another bay around the corner there, which is quite pretty too. So lots of pretty spots along here. Caravan
park, pretty cool.
Yeah, it's not too bad. There's very limited facilities, so they ask you if you are self-contained because they have no showers here. They have a toilet that you can use, but it's power, water, and look at it, it's right on the beach. So you're paying for the location.
As they say, location, location.
That's what it's all about.
But, you know, what was it worth a night?
It's $40 a night.
40 bucks. So that's probably the dearest
It is the dearest that we've paid so far.
We've paid so far.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're kicking around here in Mackay region. What have we done since we've been in Mackay? We've gone up to Youngler.
We've played tourists, that's for sure. So
well, that's what we're doing.
Well, we are tourists, I guess. Yeah. We went to Broken River, and up there they've got a platypus area that you can try and spot a platypus at, which we did until someone scared it.
Yeah. Just side note.
Yeah.
Be very quiet when you see a platypus. Don't yell out, "There's one!" It won't work.
It soon disappeared.
It buggers up for everyone.
Anyway, it was really pretty up there too, and yeah, Youngler is wow.
A bit windy, eh? I wouldn't take the caravan up there.
You'd never take a van. I wouldn't take a van up there.
Small van, you'd be right. They, you know, those little 16-foot single axle things. But yeah, very, very windy.
Yeah.
But amazing views.
Oh, beautiful view. And they do. Is it paragliding? Hang gliding.
Hang gliding.
Hang gliding. Hang gliding off the top of it there at the chalet, and yeah, overlooking the Pioneer Valley. It's just gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah.
Pinnacle pies. Meh.
We've been there.
Been there.
Say we've had a famous pinnacle pie.
Yeah.
So that's fine.
Average at best, I reckon.
It was.
But
fine.
I am a bit of a bakery snob.
You are very much a pastry snob.
Yeah, but yeah, average. What else have we done? Apart from buy a new rig.
Oh.
79 series, met some lovely people. I think they're going to be lifetime friends. Let us stay there for the week.
Jamie and Karen
to work on it.
Yeah, top people.
Yeah.
Just genuine people.
And you know, it's like they say, you do meet a lot of nice people out on the road.
Yep.
And we found that in the 2 weeks.
Yep.
2 and a bit weeks that we've been doing it.
For sure.
We sound like we're seasoned, but we're not.
We're not.
We're still learning. The biggest key thing is what we have learned in this past week, staying out at Jamie and Karen's, is slow down.
Yeah.
Go and look at stuff.
Yeah.
We would never have found this if
we just hadn't gone for drives.
Kept going.
Yeah. Because you drive into Mackay and you go, oh yeah, Mackay's Mackay, and keep going, but it's all that little out areas.
These sort of areas.
Cities. And yeah, I mean, I'd like to meet a local in every town that we go, so they tell you the tidbits and the hot spots, and yeah, it'd be pretty awesome.
How was Emeo Pub? Emeo?
Yeah.
E-I-M-E-O? E-I-M-E-O?
Yeah, that's the one. Oh look, the view, you cannot beat the view. It was pretty spectacular up there.
It's worth going up there for a frosty ale.
Yeah, go up there, have a couple of beers, overlook the...
Beers? You mean lemonades?
The ocean, of course. Overlook the ocean, and yeah, absolutely gorgeous.
No, food wasn't too bad either, actually. Actually, it was pretty reasonably priced.
It wasn't too bad. And then we went down to Hay Point that day.
Oh yeah, Hay Point, yep.
Hay Point, where the coal loading facility is, where they load all the coal onto the big ships. And we went up to the lookout up there, thanks to Karen's dad, who just said we could.
Yeah.
So we went up there and checked it out again.
He's a bloody legend, that fella.
Anywhere along the coastline here, you get you know, the crystal clear, beautiful blue water, and it's just gorgeous. It's lovely.
Well, touch wood, the weather hasn't been too bad.
No.
Like, it's been crappy first thing in the morning, at night it's been raining a little bit, but then you wake up and it's like this.
Absolutely beautiful. No, we've been very lucky. Yeah.
Very, very lucky. But anyway, guys, have a look at a bit of the drone footage that I've flown around this morning and last night, and we'll get back to you.
Says to me, come for a walk on the beach. I'm thinking, yep, sounds good, sounds nice, sounds lovely, but more it's a cheap, productive photo shoot, really, because there's a lot of just playing with the drone instead of enjoying what's going on around here, you know, the water, the surf, the sand.
I'm enjoying it, look.
Oh, he's enjoying it. It's like there's a really bad mozzie just flying around. So this is, I guess this is the not so glamorous side of taking videos while you're trekking around the joint. But yeah, I'll never knock back a walk along the beach. It sounds romantic, but that's about as far as it goes.
Romantic?
Romantic? Yeah, I'm kidding. But that's the joys of it.
I really wonder why I fool myself again and again. 'Cause I sit here crying when you're out with someone else. And I want you here with me when it's 3 a.m. Though I wish I didn't care for you. Though I wish I didn't care for you. I'm over here, and I'll be waiting for you. I won't get through till you love me too. I know you said you wanna go later, you wanna go. And when you're coming back, I'll be holding you in my arms again. 'Cause I feel more alive whenever you are close to me.
Oh well, here we are at McBride's Point, 800 metres to the summit. Looks pretty sketchy. My life insurance is paid up, isn't it? Yeah, that's what I'm worried about. Anyway, let's see if we make it to the, well, not we, let's see if I make it to the top. Crikey, I don't even think we're halfway. I think you are trying to kill me.
Maybe.
Pretty picturesque walk, bud, isn't it?
Lovely. A little bit steep.
And you wanted to do this at sunset. Imagine coming back at dark. Yeah, no thanks.
Life insurance, hello.
Yeah. We'll be like Daz in a moon boot.
Oh, don't.
Poor Dazza. How you coping, Rosie? Bit of a leg burner this stretch, isn't it?
So the breathe or talk?
Sorry?
I I either get to breathe or talk. Not do both. Oh,
Oh, that breeze is lovely. Oh wow, look at the view so far. Well, here we are, the summit. But no one said we had to climb up this to have a good look.
no.
But after almost pulling a heartledge, it's well worth it. And that's Ball Bay. And over there in the distance, that's Seaforth. And you can't see Haliday Bay. But what a view. Anyway, I better help Rosie up on this rock.
I'm not getting up there.
No, not advisable.
No.
Wind's pretty strong, as you can hear. But yeah, here we are. We made it to the summit. Another thing we can cross off our list.
Yep.
See you at the bottom. Now what, good news is what?
It's all downhill from here.
Good if they had beers up the top, I can tell you.
Oh yes.
Is it worth it? Absolutely. Check what you come out to. How you going there, Rosie?
We made it. We made it.
Looks like you've run a marathon.
A little knackered. Now I need a cold beverage.
Stuff that, I want a beer, but I'm all out. Yeah, tell me about it. JD it is. Anyway guys, that's a wrap from us. We are still in the Mackay region. Tomorrow night back into town. Then we're heading to Lake Elphinstone. Is that what we call it?
Lake Elphinstone?
Yep.
An hour west of Mackay.
About an hour west of Mackay, out near Nebo.
Yeah.
Lake Elphinstone.
It's a free camp out there,
yeah.
but we'll give you a bit of a...
Hot and cold showers apparently, or
blurb on
cold
it.
showers, or whatever it is. I need a cold shower
I feel
right
like
now
I need
after
a
this.
cold shower. Swim out there would be good.
Yeah, too many stingers.
Yeah.
And floating and swimming handbags. But anyway, so keep like, subscribe, keep up with us. We'll see you when we get out to Lake Elphinstone.
Yep.
Dan and Roz signing off on our Aussie adventure.